Imagine a day without wireless connectivity. Sounds tough, right? From the moment we wake up to the instant we fall asleep, wireless networks are intertwined with almost every aspect of our daily lives. They connect us to our loved ones, power our work meetings, and even control our home appliances. This invisible web of connectivity not only makes our lives easier but has become a fundamental necessity in our digital age. However, as much as wireless networks simplify tasks, they also expose us to a series of vulnerabilities if not properly secured. Every connection, every transmission, and every data packet sent over the air can potentially be intercepted or manipulated. This makes understanding and implementing wireless network security not just an option, but a crucial necessity. The importance of wireless networks extends beyond individual convenience to critical infrastructures and national security. Hospitals, government offices, and financial institutions all rely heavily on these networks to operate efficiently and securely. Thus, the ripple effect of a compromised network can be catastrophic, affecting not just an individual but entire communities or even countries. Recognizing this, it's essential to delve deeper into what wireless network security really entails and how it safeguards our digital interactions. By prioritizing security, we not only protect our personal information but also contribute to the safety and reliability of the entire network ecosystem. Wireless network security is a complex field, yet at its core, it's about protecting data transmitted over wireless networks from unauthorized access and attacks. This security is generally achieved through a combination of hardware and software technologies, each designed to fortify the network's defenses. The primary components include encryption, authentication, and security protocols, each playing a pivotal role in shielding the data. Encryption is the process of encoding messages or information in such a way that only authorized parties can access it. When you send an email, chat through a messaging service, or make an online purchase, encryption keeps your information hidden from prying eyes. Authentication, on the other hand, ensures that the person or device trying to access the network is indeed authorized to do so, acting as a gatekeeper to the network's resources. Security protocols such as WPA2, Wi-Fi Protected Access 2, and the newer WPA3 provide a framework of rules and configurations designed to enhance security. These protocols dictate how encryption and authentication should be handled, thereby creating a more secure wireless environment. The evolution from WPA2 to WPA3, for instance, brought significant improvements in terms of encryption and user privacy. Understanding these components is not just about knowing what they are, but also about recognizing their significance in the broader context of digital security. They are the building blocks that ensure our online activities, from browsing to banking, are conducted in a secure and private manner. Despite robust security measures, wireless networks are not impervious to threats. Common security challenges include unauthorized access, eavesdropping, and more sophisticated forms of cyber attacks like man-in-the-middle (MITM) attacks. These threats not only jeopardize personal and financial information, but can disrupt entire network operations, leading to significant losses. Unauthorized access occurs when an individual or device gains access to the network without permission. This can be as simple as someone guessing a weak password or as complex as a hacker exploiting a network vulnerability. Once inside, the intruder can misuse the network in various ways, such as stealing sensitive information or launching other attacks. Eavesdropping is another prevalent threat wherein an attacker intercepts data being transmitted over the network. This can include everything from email contents to credit card details, depending on what's being transmitted. Such attacks are particularly concerning because they can occur without any obvious signs, making them hard to detect and counteract. Man-in-the-middle attacks are especially dangerous. In this scenario, the attacker inserts themselves between the sender and the recipient of a message. They can alter or steal the information before passing it on, essentially controlling the communication without either party realizing it. This type of attack can have devastating consequences, particularly in scenarios involving sensitive negotiations or financial transactions. Securing a wireless network might seem daunting, but there are effective strategies that can significantly reduce the risk of these threats. First and foremost, always use strong, unique passwords for your network access. Avoid common words and include a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. This simple step can thwart a large number of unauthorized access attempts. Regularly updating your router's firmware is another crucial practice. Manufacturers often release updates to fix vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers. By keeping your router updated, you close these security gaps and enhance your network's overall defense. Additionally, consider using a virtual private network, VPN, when accessing public Wi-Fi. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much harder for attackers to intercept or decipher it. Employing network segmentation can also be beneficial. By dividing your network into smaller, separate networks, you can limit how much damage an attacker can do if they gain access to one segment. For instance, keeping your home office devices on a different network than your entertainment devices can prevent a breach on one from affecting the other. Lastly, be vigilant about monitoring network activity. Many routers offer tools to see which devices are connected and how much data they're using. If you notice unfamiliar devices or unusual data usage patterns, it could indicate a security breach. Being proactive in these monitoring efforts can help you catch and address issues before they escalate into bigger problems. The benefits of securing wireless networks go beyond protecting individual users from data theft or privacy breaches. A secure network fosters trust among users, which is essential for the growth and sustainability of digital economies. Businesses can operate more efficiently and safely, knowing that their communications and data are protected. On a larger scale, secure networks contribute to national security. As our infrastructure becomes increasingly digitized, from power grids to transportation systems, the importance of robust network security cannot be overstated. A breach in these critical areas could have dire consequences, not just economically, but also in terms of human safety. Moreover, community safety is enhanced when each member takes steps to secure their own connections. This collective security effort can significantly reduce the overall vulnerability to large-scale attacks, making it more difficult for malicious actors to exploit network weaknesses. In conclusion, wireless network security is a shared responsibility that benefits all. By understanding the risks and implementing strong security practices, we can protect not only our personal information, but also contribute to the security and stability of our communities and nations. This collective vigilance is what will ultimately define the safety and reliability of our digital future.